Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 1,575 miles. Beautiful metallic red paint scheme, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, lightweight sport bike. Great starter. For those of you just through the class with your new license, come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This gorgeous Ninja 250, just $24.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.